Introducing the ultimate ride for adventure enthusiasts, the 20-inch electric power bicycle fat tire snow bike retro 2-wheeled electric motocross. Experience the power of the brushless motor, crafted from high-strength carbon fiber material, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Enjoy the convenience of easy installation and portability, allowing you to take your electric bike anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to your old, worn-out bike. Our electric power bicycle is the perfect replacement, delivering powerful performance and range. With automotive-grade power lithium battery and superior suspension system, experience surging power, extended range, and unparalleled riding comfort. Immerse yourself in the details, from the hydraulic rear shock absorber to the connectable phone feature. Every aspect is designed for maximum convenience and enjoyment. With a powerful 48V400W motor, 48V20Ah battery capacity, and a range of approximately 100 kilometers, the possibilities are endless. Join the electric revolution today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures. And don't forget to check the link in the description to buy now and start your journey with the 20-inch electric power bicycle fat tire snow bike retro 2-wheeled electric motocross.